Although the number of vending machines in Japan changes, it is estimated that Japan has approximately 4 million vending machines throughout the country, with many of them selling both hot and cold drinks. I love how some vending machines are also beautifully designed to fit into a particular environment or to represent the item that it is selling. The variety of vending machines still amazes me, with my latest discovery of bread in a can, different cheese varieties, nappies, specialty sweets, hot meals including fried rice and gyoza. Have you ever found something surprising or interesting for sale in a vending machine in Japan? Do you know what the red and the blue labels represent on the front of the vending machines? The red label reads atatakai, meaning warm, and the blue label reads tsumetai, meaning cold. That way it's easy to know whether you are buying a hot or a cold drink.